Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your business partnerships with American Express, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific issues or challenges within your current business partnerships related to American Express. Take time to gather documentation and communication records that outline the terms of your existing agreements. Review the partnership guidelines provided by American Express to understand their expectations and support resources. Set clear objectives for the reset process. Outline what you hope to achieve through the reset, whether it be improved communication, enhanced benefits, or streamlined processes. Reach out to your American Express business representative. Schedule a meeting to discuss your current partnership status and the need for adjustments. During the meeting, express your concerns openly and respectfully. Be honest about the challenges you face and listen to their insights. Collaboratively explore potential solutions. Discuss new terms or modifications that could benefit both parties. Consider how these adjustments align with your business goals alongside American Express's offerings. Once you've agreed on a new course of action, document the changes in a revised partnership agreement. Ensure that all parties review and sign this updated contract. Implement a regular check-in schedule to reassess the partnership over time. Gather feedback from your team about the new changes and their effectiveness. Stay proactive by maintaining open lines of communication with American Express. Be ready to adapt further if the needs of your business or partnership evolve. Monitor the results of the reset and assess whether it meets your initial objectives. Celebrate small successes along the way to keep morale high among your team. Continue to nurture the relationship with American Express, taking advantage of any new resources or programs they offer. Remember, the key to a successful partnership is ongoing communication and mutual growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.